Not all bread is safe for you and your children. Some types look harmless, but in reality, they are packed with additives, hidden sugar, and chemicals designed to make them look fresh and soft. Eating these regularly is like feeding kids bread that's closer to processed junk than real food. And long-term consumption can affect health in ways most parents never imagine. Here are 4 breads to watch out for. 1. Fake wholemeal bread. Some breads claim to be whole grain or wholemeal, but they're mostly white flour with a few oats or caramel coloring added to appear healthier. Kids get the sugar spike and almost no fiber or real nutrients from these loaves. Hot dog buns aren't just fluffy. They're often ultra-processed with sugar, preservatives, and chemical dough conditioners to stay soft for days. Combined with hot dogs, which are highly processed meats containing sodium, nitrates, and additives, this becomes a double risk. Regular consumption can increase unhealthy cravings and may affect long-term heart and metabolic health. Many store-bought garlic breads are made from older, pre-packaged loaves or stale bread, then coated with butter, oil, and artificial flavors. Using stale bread is common to save costs, but it reduces freshness and nutrition while adding unnecessary additives. Frequent consumption is not ideal for kids' health. Some white breads are engineered to be extra fluffy using dough enhancers, bleaching agents, and emulsifiers. While not immediately harmful, eating heavily processed bread regularly can displace more nutrient-dense foods and affect digestive health. Bread can be part of a healthy diet, but knowing which ones to avoid is key. Whenever possible, choose fresh, whole grain bread or homemade options to protect children's health and help them enjoy real, wholesome food.